Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is my haul today. I did a $35 basket on hubby's card and I'm going to jog you through it. I had one little snafu, but everything else went really well. And I even got these Grinch kisses that I will be gifting. I'll let you guys know there was only 2 bags left in the store, so this is moving like a hotcake as predicted by moi. I also did, in a separate transaction, the little Garnier hairspray deal. Over at Rite Aid, we have a freebie and a money maker. So if you're a Rite Aid shopper, you're gonna wanna watch this. And then the Dollar cheesecakes are back with the dramatical light over at the Dollar General. It's like dusky time right now, or just, I don't know, the light's kind of strange. So that's why those cheesecake look like they were out of Phantom of the Opera. Pretty dramatic lighting. And we have little Miss Camilla right here, and she's probably wanting some of the turkey I made this weekend. I will feed her soon. She's got a couple plates though of dry food, but this cat always wants the best. And Camilla says hi to everybody and to my mom. I hope my mom's having a wonderful day. I think this cat is a little more spectacular than the view out there, but the light is really nice right now. Okay. Let's stop talking about Bob Ross landscape photography and get into couponing. Okay, so first basket I have is this. That include these 2 Grinch kisses. These are 2 for $7. Like the price on this has gone up, which it's never that crazy, the price. In the big book of savings on page 7, we have this $1 off. So these guys this week are $4.98. Get the cashier to scan this one, and it's $3.98, so $1.99 per bag. And I just wanted this as a filler for some Christmas gifts. Now, as I was doing a $35 basket, I wanted to do something completely different. So the skincare is buy 2, get 1 for free. Obviously, the best bang for your buck is to just get the Nivea Sensitive and Radiant. Unfortunately, my store only had 2 of them, and IBOTTA has a $2 rebate back for each. A third one, you would get back another $2, but I couldn't do that. So I just kind of thought on the fly that I would grab this Gold Bond because it had a $1.50 rebate. Now, when the 3 were purchased, even though in the app it said buy 2, get the third for free, I paid for this. So I showed the manager, and the manager just threw $7 of Walgreens cash on my store card. She was very nice. But, you know, if I were you, I would just grab another Nivea, because maybe, you know, if you start mixing and matching the different brands, maybe that happens. I don't know what happened, but it was just goofy. But thankfully, I noticed it before I left the store. So this one, kind of not so great. Anyhow, in the store, these were $7.79 each. So I paid for these 2. I had a 3 off of 2 coupon from last weekend's insert. I think it was in the Smart Source. And also there's a $2 digital, but I couldn't use it because I only had 2. And then this guy I didn't have a coupon for, but there was an IBOTTA rebate for that. So this altogether was part of that $30 basket. If you're doing a spend, you know, 35, get back 8, it would be a smart thing to grab, but just doing it on its own, unless you're rich, I wouldn't do it because it's just a bit too much. But anyhow, this was the mess up, just to note that. The all pack is $2.99, and I had a $1 digital, so that dropped it down to $1.99, and I just needed something to get it to 35. This is a very good deal, and I think it might end today because the Fetch Rewards rebate, I think it's expiring today. These are 2 for $12. We have a 2 off of 2 digital. You'll pay $10, get back a $5 store coupon, $3 back from IBOTTA. I think it's $1 back for each. And then Fetch Rewards is giving back $2 when you buy 2 of these, so it essentially zeroes this out to free. To get my basket to 35, I grabbed this as well because it was like $34 and some change, 99-cent nuts. This is my lunch, I've already eaten it. So for all of this stuff, again, don't grab this, grab another Nivea in that $7 price point range. It was $35.54, and I'm just gonna assume that this was the free item. I got the cashier to scan the get back 8 when you spend 35, plus I had a loaded booster of spend 25, get back 6. So as I got to that $35 threshold, the 2 boosters will stack. I also got the cashier to scan this. My total was actually $36.54, and then a dollar came off for the IVC. Cashier scanned the booster for me, and then I also presented a $4 register reward, which was a manufacturer one, a 6 and a 2 from yesterday, and they're all register reward manufacturer. They're not store coupon register rewards. So all of those scanned, plus I had a 3 off a 2 for this, a dollar for this, and the 2 off a 2 for this. So the new total after everything came off, let's just pretend, is $17.54. And I got back $14 in Walgreens cash, 6 for the digital booster, 8 for the paper booster, a $5 store coupon for purchasing these 2 Doves. And then I got back $8.50 from IBOTTA, $2 back each for the Nivea. I got $1.50 back for Gold Bond, and then I got back $3 for purchasing both of these, $1.50 for each. And then I also got back $2 from Fetch for this. So after everything is said and done, you know, just rolling those register rewards from yesterday into this deal, it's free plus an $11.96 moneymaker. So I'm very delighted with that. The one snafu was that I paid for this guy, but when I rang up the UPC, it said that it was part of the buy 2 get the 3rd for free, and it's almost 7 ounces of lotion. It's not like a little itty bitty one. So I would have just grabbed another Nivea one, because this Sensitive Radiant is hard to find like a bunch of them in the store. It's just a weird or brand new one, so that's probably why. But anyhow, I'm very delighted with this. It worked out really well, and who doesn't like that? Okay guys, so just to answer something really quickly, like why did I show the matchups? Those matchups are if you want to use Walgreens cash. If you're going to be using one of these boosters or the paper booster, you have to use your debit card. I'm going to type out the math and show you everything. I'm not going to show you the products again because it's redundant. I just showed you them in the slides previous, but here is the matchup, and it is very specific, so grab a screenshot of this, but a really great haul. The Garnier Fructis I did in a separate transaction because it's buy 10, get back a $5 store coupon. It's the same promotion as this, so I can't do the same, or only one $5 store coupon will print. So I grabbed 3 of these for $10.50. I had a $3 digital plus a $1 digital. And so $6.50 is the new total. I used $5 of Walgreens cash, paid down $1.50 out of pocket for the 3, and I am okay with that. And then I got back my $5 store coupon, so not the worst little deal. And to get these really cheap, these little hairsprays, I'm totally okay with that. Okay guys, so this is a really quick glitch deal. If you can do it, go and do it. If you can't do it, if you just want to sit back and ask me a million questions, including what are the colors of my socks, you wouldn't believe some of the questions I'm getting asked. And I like to help people, but it's like you got to get to the store and try it. We could talk about coupon theory till like forever. But if you aren't going to physically go out in the store and try it, you're never going to do the deal. And lots of people, especially on TikTok, like they didn't want to go to the store. They just wanted to keep asking me questions. So I don't know what that's all about. Okay, we're here to do this deal over at Rite Aid. And shout out to Ravi Patel. This is in fact his deal. It's really fantastic. It's a glitch. So when this is going to end is unknown. It could end this evening. It could end tomorrow. I don't know. So you know what I would do? Go try it. And if they're not ringing up for $5 each, just void the transaction, and you have every right to do that. So I did this on my store card and my husband's store card, and then I just bought this one on its own, and I'll talk about that in a second. So on my store card, these are $5 each, and then we have a 10 off coupon. So I just paid tax for it. I paid 60 cents for the 2. No bonus cash earned, it's just a free item. So that is pretty cool. It on my card, and then I did it on my husband's card today around 1:30, and it worked perfectly. And then last night I also bought another one because they had 3 at this one store, and these were $5. I didn't have a coupon to go with that, so I just used $5 in bonus cash that I had on my store card. And then coupons.com has a $10 rebate when you buy one of these products. So I thought, oh, I'll give that a shot. And guess what, guys? I got back $10, so that made it a $5 moneymaker after everything is said and done. $5 moneymaker after everything is said and done. If your balance is 0, it's not going to work, but if it's 5, yes, you will get that $10 back. Because coupons.com, for my account, you cannot use any coupons with. It's like part of their policy. But so that's why using it with that 10 off coupon, but if you just buy it on its own and pay that $5, you can get the 10 back, which is super cool. So I would move on this ASAP. I'm guessing by Wednesday or Thursday, they'll likely pull it. Load that digital coupon and make it happen. The last deal that we have is with the cheesecake over at the Dollar General. Deal was live a couple weeks back, and it's back again, so how nice is that? So you'll have to pick up 4 of them. You'll find them at the front of the store, near the Christmas display, or in the baking display. So 3 different places they have it. They are 2 for $3, so grabbing 4 of them, that's $6 on the nose. We have a 2 off of 6 digital coupon. Load that guy. You'll pay $4 out of pocket, making them $1 each. Check the expiry dates on the top. I grabbed these classic ones because they don't expire until next July or June. So I was like, oh, these have a pretty good date, you know? So yeah, I got a couple of those and very happy about that. Okay, that's it for this video. If you're a Rite Aid shopper, I would pounce on this like a cheetah ASAP and make it happen. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.